It's been a year. Naalala ko pa talaga nung nalaman ko na pregnant ka at hindi pa natin alam yung gender. Pinapanalangin ko talaga na sana baby girl this time. At thank God naman at napakinggan ni Lord yung ating hiling na naging baby girl.
Si Paula yung nakakatuwang ipagmalaki pag may kwentuhan kasi sobrang takaw niya. And then every time na pupunta kami sa pedya niya, laging natutuwa yung pedya kasi sobrang lusog, madaldal siya agad sa ganung age niya. Sobra siyang masigla. Alam mo yung parang talented na baby girl.
Growing older, I'm by your side.
It's a mixed emotions, sa totoo lang, nung naramdaman ko yun. Dahil mahirap din, as a father, gusto mong protektahan yung baby girl. At alam naman natin sa panahon ngayon, mahirap. Yung responsibility, yung laki ng responsibility. And yet, masaya dahil alam ko this is something new.
Tapos pag uuwi yung daddy niya, yan na agad siya yung kakawag-kawag na smile agad siya na parang gusto niya i-hug agad yung daddy niya.
And if the whole world is on your shoulder, hold you tight. Who cares if we're growing older? I'm by your side.
Happy birthday, Paula! Happy birthday, Paula!
Happy birthday, Paula!
Happy birthday, Paula!
Come with me, you're all that I need. Come with me, come with me, come with me, you're all that I need. Come with me, come with me, come with me, you're all that I need. Come with me, come with me.
Happy birthday, Paula! Happy birthday, Paula! Happy birthday, Paula! Happy birthday, Paula!
Happy birthday, Paula!
Ngayon nung nakita ko talaga si Paula, day 1 pa lang talaga na nakita ko yung mga mukha niya. Talagang hindi ko ma-explain yung pakiramdam. Yung tipong, hindi ko alam, naiiyak na ako at sobrang saya. At nandun yung pag-alala at nakita ko talaga na kailangan ko magsumikap.
Windows down on my favorite street. Sunset in the rear view, got nowhere to be for a moment.
So si Baby Paula para sa akin, she's really a motivation for me. Na talagang to do more. Dahil alam kong iba yung kakaharapin natin in the future.
Good health sa'yo, anak. Future mo, nandito lang ako. Nandito lang kami ng daddy mo. Lagi lang kaming nakagabay sa'yo. Lagi nating uunahin si Lord. Lahat yan, magpa-process life.
This is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the moments turn to memories. Memories. Deep breath in and I come alive. It's a feeling I remember for the rest of my life. So I sit back and watch the sun paint us gold. For a moment we feel like we rule the world. We are free. Can you feel it too? It's nights like these that only prove. And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the
Happy birthday, Baby Paula! We love you!
memories.
Happy birthday!
And this This is when the future gets so clear to see.